Yes or no? You need to create alias actually, but that's fine. Leave 0. So what is the difference between alias and 0.0.0 means? If you leave it as 0.0.0, this service can be accessed through any LAN port. Out of 4, any LAN port through any one of the LAN port, you can able to access this service. But to restrict that, you don't want to open all the 4 ports, all the 4 LAN ports for this service. You want to restrict only one particular port for this service, so that you are creating alias and we are pointing particular IP for this one. Yeah, this case we don't have alias, and you can use the ETH one, which is 152. You can use 152, or you can use 151 also. That doesn't matter for you. As of now, leave it as it, or you can do it as whatever port you want to. Basically, 4 port: ETH 0, ETH 1, ETH 2, ETH 3. How I would recommend is my email shows that, right? ETH 0 would normally management port. ETH 1 should be the inbound port. ETH 2 will be the outbound port, and ETH 3 will be the logging and monitoring and troubleshooting port. So that's how you can able to define it. Mm. The inbound means somebody calls the data power. So outbound is before the static IP you told that is the outbound. The front end client is inbound. Whatever you're configuring is inbound. So what is the request going to come to data power? So which port you're opening in data power to to allow user to call this service, that is inbound to data power. Yes, outbound. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, that is the we choose the pass through, right? The pass through means the none of the rules will be working. Pass through means whatever you are sending to data power, it comes back. Try it. Go and save config. Go and save config. I will tell you the difference. So open soap UI. I'm not seeing your desktop. Sorry. Yeah. Colon 2048. Yeah. No, 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 don't do it here. Click cancel. Delete the project one. What is that? Remove. Remove. Yeah. No. So expand the weather soap. Expand the weather. Yeah. Expand the what we did yesterday. No, no, second one. Double click the request. Add the new endpoint. Select the drop down. Add the new endpoint. So instead of this IP, give your IP and port 192, right? Yeah. Give OK and pass the request now. So actually, it's going to backend because you said static backend. Static means it always goes to the backend. I will tell you the difference. What is the pass through and what is the why we are changing this? If you see pass through means then none of the operations will be executed. Processing policy, you can see the processing policy, right? Down XML manager, you can see the processing policy. Can you see that? Go move the mouse over there. Yeah. So in the processing policy, click the triple dot, which means edit button. The triple dot means edit button. Yeah. So here you will normally create the request rule, response rule, and you can do a lot of configurations here. So before calling the backend, you can do some preconditions or some transformation, all those things. So if you mean pass through, none of the policy will be executed. Okay. Yeah. Straight away you are calling the backend. Yeah. That is the response. Yeah. You say request response also pass through, request also pass through. No, no, no. It's right only. Yes. Yeah. Basically, people not. I will tell you what exactly it's. Scroll down, static background, select loop back. firewall type. Mm. Click loopback, which means there is no backend. Okay. Data power will act as a backend for you. Now you don't see anything, right? That's why. Now save config and try that again. You have to apply it. Yes. Yeah, go and try now. So now whatever you are passing, it's coming back. It's you can pass anything. You can pass any junk. It will come back. Because it's a pass through. Data powers getting your request and sending it back to you. No back, no loop back. Data power will execute the policy, and based on the policy, it will return back the response. As of now, we don't have any specific policy, so it's coming back. Hmm. Yes. Yes. Mm-hmm. 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 Mm. No, loopback means data power will not connect to any backend, but still you can configure the policy whatever you want to do. You can do the policy in the policy tab. Whatever you can able to do it through XSLT, you can still do it. Yes, but how he is calling the mainframe from XSLT? Is it possible? No, right? Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Oh, he connected to the tool, and the tool will talk to mainframe. Oh, I got it. Okay. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Basically, that's possible. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Okay, that's fine. So just not like that. Loopback means you're not providing any backend. Backend. You are not specifying any backend here. But Loopback means DataPower will execute the policy, and based on the policy, whatever you said, it's going to return you back. Yes. Now we don't have any policy defined. Yes. Okay. I will clear your doubt. We will create a policy. Okay. Copy the weather asmx. Copy the URI from the SOAP UI, not the whole URL. Slash weather from the slash weather ws. Okay. Copy that URL. We'll go and see some create some policy. Go to data power now, and that's fine. That's fine. You are on the correct page. Um, click the policy, edit the policy. So always the first action in the policy would be the matching action. That is the matching rule. The equal symbol is matching rule. You can scroll the mouse over there, it will tell you. So matching rule, okay. Double click them now. As of now, it's accepting star means any URL. So double click on that and edit. Edit means click the triple dot. Yeah, edit. Go to matching rule tab. Click the pencil button. Yeah, edit. So instead of star, um, uh, yeah, place it, paste it, and apply. No. You just come out, escape. No, don't cancel. Yeah, now it's come. Yeah, apply. Done. Apply policy. Now you have to apply policy. Close window. Apply here. Save config. Now go to SOAP UI. Execute it. Okay, now instead of ASMX at the end, delete X. Try now. Try now. So which means whatever the policy you have created, it's not executed. That's what the loopback. Yeah. Loopback means whatever you're sending, it's coming back. It won't go to the policy and execute it. Yeah. Yeah, it won't call the policy. Yes, if it's a static backend, the policy would be executed. Remove slash at the end. Go to SOAP UI. SOAP UI. No, 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 leave it, leave it. Go to SOAP UI. Yeah, that's fine. No, no, no. Without X, try to execute. Without X. It's weather service. It should not be coming from weather service. Why it's coming from weather service? I don't know. Because of this. Okay, because you mentioned it's a pass through, right? Go and change it to XML. Request type to XML. Go and change it. Request type as XML. Yeah, because I know it's going to the backend, but your policy has to be executed, right? Yes, MX, right. But it's not if you don't have a AS, if you don't have X at the end, your request should not be go to the backend. It should be fail at the data power, right? Go to the data power and change the request type instead of pass through to XML. No, no, not that, not that. Request type, change it to XML. Now apply. Yeah, I'm worrying. I try to find out, but because of static backend or because of pass through, we will find it now. Remove X, remove X from the end. Yeah, right now. Yeah. So now your role is working. The pass through means you want to send the message to the backend without executing any policy. That is what the pass through means. Yeah, loopback also. Yeah, reject. Yes, it doesn't go to that end. Yes. Yeah, yeah. I know you are confusing, but there is three things: pass through, loop back, URL matching. Loop back means whatever you are sending to data power, it's going to return back. No policy will be executed. And the same thing, if the request is passed through, no policy will be executed. Okay? Yes. Yes, right. Yes. Take your data post study material and search for a pass through on loop back and see the difference. Study that before tomorrow's class, and then you will get some understanding. What's the difference between pass through and what is the static backend? What is the loop back? What is dynamic backend? And what is the loop back? What is pass through? Okay. If you are unable to find that thing in a very big material, you can search it from Google. I think the material is a very good one. It's very, you can go batch by batch. You can able to see that. Okay. So can we meet tomorrow then? So how do you feel today? So normally my class will not be a theoretical based. I don't open PowerPoint. I don't go through the bullet points. I don't do that. I will cover all the topics via practice. Is that okay with you? Yeah. So do you like this approach? You don't want the theoretical and I will give you some exercise and you do it. It's not like that, right? Yeah. Okay. Then we'll see you tomorrow. Yep. So tell me what we have learned today. What are the things we learned today? Just summarize. We learned a lot of things today, but you might not be see that is the problem in practical session. If I'm practically I'm teaching something, you lot of topics we covered as part of the practical, but you missed some of the topics what we covered. Okay. Okay. I will tell you tomorrow what we have covered it on these 2 days. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Tell me what are the different types of backend available in DataPower? And don't copy. Okay. So why are you recording this session? Okay. That's fine. No issues. Until otherwise you're be genuine. Don't share with your friends. You can share with your friends. That's not a problem. But don't affect the other business. Okay. Yeah. But I would recommend you to ask your friends to join the course going forward. You can recommend your friend. You can forward them to for the training. Can you do that? Okay. Okay, Anup. Uh, Go and play around the box and take the material and go through and see. That is the very important thing. Once the class is over, you need to take the material and go through the some theoretical part. Okay, so that you will get to know what is what. Okay, so that you will get a good understanding. Then we'll see tomorrow. Okay. Yeah. Good night, Anup. See you. Bye.